as long as you have fear in God, then definitely you are not a liability in this society.
How do you plan to use your voice to empower the transgender community?
Gagamitin ko ang aking boses sa magandang paraan. Dahil naniniwala po ako na kahit marami kaming nagagawang maganda sa mundong ito, panay pa rin ang diskriminasyon sa aming mga tao. Bakit? Bakit? Because there's a notion in our society that when you see a particularly gay walking down the street, you intend to see them as a baklang parlor. A baklang parlor who knows nothing except hair and makeup culture. But mind you, we are more than just a baklang parlor. We excel into different fields, into the higher fields of engineering, medicine, education, down to the colorful world.